This is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I welcome you all to my lecture on information technology. Dynamic host configuration protocol is the network management protocol used on internet. To install, go to start and in server manager. In administrative tool, select DHCP and follow the wizard. Make the scope and from starting IP can be 192.168.1.100 to ending IP address should be 192.168 dot 1.110. Subnet mask can be 255.255.255.0. Subnet type can be wired lease for few days. Default gateway can be 192.168.1.28. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.